Okay, in this question was to calculate side PR, RS, side PR and side RS. Okay, so this is side PR, which is X, and side RS, is what? Is Y. How do I find this? Looking at our diagram, we have this as angle 90. So it means this is my hypotenuse side. PQ is my hypotenuse side here. We also have another angle 90 here. Okay, so it means for this one, PR is also what? Hypotenuse side. If I also solve here. Now let's see how we're going to get our X and our Y in this question. For our X now, how many sides were we given? Just one side, one significant side. So I'm going to be using SOHCAHTOA in this question. I cannot use Pythagoras theorem, okay, because it's only one side that was given to us in all the triangles here that we have: triangle PQR and triangle PRS. So how will I get my X now? So to get my X, I need this angle here, which is what? 50. I'm going to be using my opposite and what? This 6. Opposite and what? 6. Okay, so and 6 here represents my what? Adjacent. So that becomes what? Tan. Tan 50 equals what? Opposite over what? Adjacent, which is what? X over 6 in this question. Therefore, my X becomes what? 6 tan what? 6 tan 50 degrees. Okay, which now becomes 6 times what? 1.192. And my answer becomes what? 7.152 after multiplying. Okay, so that's the value of my X here. Very simple. Now for my Y, I'm giving only this side here. I need either this side or this side. Thank God I just got my X. After getting my X, I can now get my what? My Y. To get my Y, now becomes what? This angle, which is what? This side, which is what? Y. We have an angle here, which is 28. So I'm going to be using my 28 as my what? Opposite. So that becomes opposite over what? Hypotenuse, because this is a significant value now. X, which is 7.152. So that's opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That's sine. Sine 28 equals what? Opposite, which is Y, over what? Hypotenuse, which is what? X. Okay, so it means my sine 28 equals what? Y over what? My X is what? 7.152 in this question now. Therefore, my Y now becomes what? 7.152 times what? Sine 28. Okay, which becomes 7.152, times what? Now, for sine 28, you look for that on your formula table. You get your answer. After getting it, when you multiply the two of them, you should get 3.36 as your answer here. Centimeter. This is also what? Centimeter. And that's how to solve this question. So my Y here is now what? 3.36 what? Centimeter.